In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Desmos Graphing Calculator to find an exponential regression model. So we're going to add a table, and then we're going to enter the data from your worksheet. So on the Desmos demo side, I'm going to enter the data from the first table, and X's go in the first column, Y's go in the second column. All right, and notice that, I'm gonna back it up a little bit. You see this little zoom fit feature right here before I enter that last one? Sometimes you'll need to click this zoom fit so that way the window adjusts. Let me put that 165 back in. And that just makes sure that you can see all of the points on the graph. All right, then we're going to add the regression. So in line 1, you see this icon, it has the dots with the line through it. This is the regression icon. So you're going to add a regression, and we're doing exponential. Now you may have watched a previous video for linear regression already, but our data is going to be exponential. So if you click that drop down, you'll see the option about midway, exponential regression. And notice that the line on the graph shifts, and now it's curving through these points. So the majority of the points are really, really close to this line, and it fits better than that linear model that we first saw. If you click this copy button next to the word equation underneath that drop down, it's going to take that equation right here and pop it into line 2 for you. Now, if you're following along on the reference sheet, in step 4, it says round coefficients to the nearest hundredth. So we're going to round these, and we'll have 10.52. And you can use Shift 8 on your keyboard to get that times symbol, that multiplication symbol, or you can come here and use the multiplication symbol in your keyboard. 1.72, and then you can say a to the b, and that gives you the exponent, or you can hit Shift 6 on your keyboard, and that also allows you to type in the exponent. This is an exponential function, so the variable is in the exponent position. And you see this is the graph that models the data through these points. This is the exponential regression model using Desmos.